guys, they were playing American Truck Simulator for the first time, so yeah. Yo, Wyoming. Wait, where am I? Wait, it doesn't show my city. That's Texas. It doesn't show where I'm from. I live right in Texas. That's good. Which one should I do? San Diego? Let's do San Diego. Yeah. You wanna walk in? Nah, I can figure it out. I'm pretty sure it's WASD, right? Soon I'll get like a series. Right now we have WASD. Fake sad. But so I have a job. I have a job. But this is a job. Nah, this is a job. I can't believe it. By the way, guys, if you're like a kid or something, crap, job is a customer. Just don't say job. You see anyone say job, just tell you this is a customer. Yeah. Why is my screen white? Also, the F word, the F bomb, is not a cuss word. So it's a great word. Trust. Continue. Enter. Click enter for continue or enter. Enter. Let's let me enter. Now what? Did I do it? Oh, I did. Oh, San Diego, $300. Let's try to make that amount of money in the next year. Probably not, but we have to try at least. If I start popping off, holy voice crack. If I start popping off, like and sub, please, like please, just like and sub. Like click the subscribe button, click the LIKE word button. I don't care. Just click it, please, please. Otherwise, I'll bomb your house with a nuke. So let's go. I'm sorry. I'm joking. I was joking. Also, you can hate on me all you want. I don't care. Just know, I don't care. Hate on me. If it becomes like a thing where like a lot of YouTubers hate me, I'll be sad. How do I start? How do I go? What? How do I go? How do I drive? Why is the volume not on? What? How do I drive? Oh, I figured it out. I just had to click E. Or hold E. How do I go forward? Oh, I'm doing it! Oh, so this is like a role play, so like if I crash, no, this is like a role play. So, yo, wait, I'm the dad. Okay, I'm the dad. You guys. Oh crap, I crashed. You kids okay back there? Yeah, y'all better be good. All right, y'all better be good back there. Okay, I gotta back up. Dad's had some techno. My dad's having some some issues with the truck right now. So I should have went through the tutorial. Wait, no, I'm gonna do it. All right, Dad's not having any more issues. Oh, I have a crash. Dude, I suck at driving. My game is lagging. Oh my gosh. Alright, this time we're not gonna crash. We're not gonna crash, kids. Be careful. Stop yelling. Your dad. Distracting your dad. Alright, the only reason I took you guys with my job, in my job, is because I felt is take your kids to work day. And my job so happens to be, I can't believe I'm saying job. I'm sorry, kids. Don't ever say that word ever. But my job so happens to be a truck driver. So, yeah. Holy cow. 8% damage? Dude, my boss is gonna be mad at y'all. Oh no, not y'all, me. My boss is gonna be so mad at me, bro. All because of y'all. Get out the car. Get out. No, get out the truck. I don't care. Get out. I'm tired. I'm laggy. Let me drive. I'm doing it. Wait. Go. I'm gonna die, brother. Can I not drive? What's going on? What happens when I click it? Oh. Wait, why can't I drive? Oh. That's fine. So do I just switch back like that? That's why I can't drive. Because this truck freaking sucks. Y'all be quiet. Don't make any noise. If you make noise, I'm gonna keep calling you guys bad boys. I have no girls. I wish you guys were all girls. That way, yeah. Oh wait, Stephanie? I forgot about you, Stephanie, I'm sorry. Ah! Oh crap! Oh kids, good? $108? Oh, okay. Kids, you good? You good, kids? Alright, that's good. Never say job. Never say J-O-B. That's a bad one. That was not, he's drunk, bro. He's drunk. That was not on me. Yeah, go. I'm gonna crash into you. Before I crash into you. Being a drunk driver, putting me and my kids in danger. Making me have to pay $108. That's on you. I'm not a drunk driver, that's on you. That other guy, that's on both of you. And I did not say the F-bomb, kids. I said F-C-K. Crap. I'm sorry, kids. I'm sorry. I won't ever put you kids in danger ever again. $180? You kids are saving up money to pay for that. So I'm not paying for that. You guys are. Timmy, you're paying for most of it. You're all gonna put a share of your savings in that. So I'm not paying for that. Oh crap, it's breaking the car. I mean the truck. Dude, my company needs to make better car. Wait, I own the company. But that means I pay myself. Let's go. Kids, hang on, we're going fast. Hang on, kids. Oh, we're going down the highway. We're going down the highway of hell. And by the way, I meant like the bottom. That was not a cuss word that I just said. I meant like the bottom. So, just to get that clear. You kids good? You kids okay? Alright, just had to make sure. My ping is also like 1,000. So, yeah, my Wi-Fi is terrible. So I'm not going to give you guys the best quality of videos, but... Dude, that guy almost just wrecked into us, bro. He almost just caused us a crash. No, we're chasing that guy. He's not getting away. I'm going to crash into him. I want to make him feel what I feel. We're gonna get him. Step on the gas. Step on the gas. Step on it. Oh! Almost just crashed. Oh, we're shaking. Oh, we're shaking. Oh, we're shaking. Oh, we're shaking. Oh, crap. Oh! Dude, you kids are making us. Oh. Oh, crap. Oh, you kids are making us crash. Look what I did to his car. Oh my gosh, his car is cooked. But my car is even more cooked. You know what? We're done. We're not playing. We're done. We're done. We're not playing. We're done. Nah, you kids are just too bad. Too bad. Yeah, I'm done. Peace out. Make sure to like and subscribe. If I can end it. I'm gonna see you kids later, but make sure